as I told you, we lime in, and there's no other way to start a Trini lime than with a drink.
Favorite thing for you
So
to
I want
say.
to introduce you to master mixologist, Tyrone Benjamin.
Yeah.
Tyrone, they say when they want a drink, call Tyrone.
Right.
And that's what we do every week on the show. Tyrone,
Joe,
what are you doing first?
I have something here for my buddy. Right.
Tyrone, first let me tell people, because this one is brought to you by the folks at IICA. IICA is a body that has really been supporting all the local artisans. I have been pleading that this is now more than ever, 2020 to 2021, 2022, is our realization to support local. 3 local products that we have presented Tyrone with: Island Tea's Sorrel and Ginger drink, a host of Williams wines, so it's an entire range of wines, local homemade wines by Williams, and SR Mills Seamoss punch.
Yeah.
So Seamoss, wine, and tea.
All are going in the same thing?
All are going in the cocktail.
Yeah. The Seamoss is the wild card.
Let's go, Tyrone.
All right. So first, let me tell you where the name I come up with this. Right. So this one is called Dutty Mas.
More trouble.
Right.
That's because Maria.
Yeah.
That's because.
Right. So I'm gonna jump right in, and what I've done with the Seamoss, I've actually infused it with some vodka.
That's Seamoss, yeah.
Yeah. So this is the Seamoss here, and what I did.
Your Seamoss looks way prettier than my Seamoss. It does not look like that.
Right. So we starting with this.
So that's Seamoss
Yeah.
infused the
This one for
vodka.
everything from A to Z. I'm gonna go with 2 ounces. So we're moving on to the Williams wines, right? This is from Rio Claro, right? So this one is actually Dutty. So it has lily berry and sorrel, right?
What is a lily berry?
So lily berry
It sounds like my kind of fruit.
yeah, it's almost like a acai berry or pomegranate in nature. So it has that antioxidants. Obviously, it has that berry kind of cherry tone, and it's mixed with sorrel here, right? Which will pair well with the sorrel and ginger tea that we come into, right? So I'm gonna be adding 2 ounces of this as well. So we have the little tea here, right? So this one is actually sorrel and ginger, and again, I'm going with 2 ounces since I'm doubling up for you guys. Love the color so far. Yeah, loving the color. All right. And what I did now to add to this, I made an apple syrup.
Right.
Simple. So we get a nice sweetness to it because we're backing up with some citrus. So this is the apple flavor. And to this, I'm gonna just add 1 ounce. And this citrus mix consists of fresh grapefruit. You know, I love my grapefruit. We have some Portugal, and I actually put in some lemon, some rough lemon. All right. So this will be the citrus base.
Strong citrus,
Yeah.
It's like the healthiest cocktail I think I've ever drank. Makes me feel so good.
All right. And just to give it a little herb note, I put in some
fresh
lime.
herbs and all
Right
that
in the
again.
sun.
Some
I don't
fine
need any
thyme. Thyme
vitamins
is kind of
after.
strong, so
Yeah.
we go in light on it because I'm
Right.
gonna shake this cocktail. All right. But it mixes beautiful with the citrus this time. So I'm at a point where I'm just gonna chill this drink now. Add my ice. So we're gonna shake. Nice. So everything is mixed and chilled. I'm gonna double strain this so we don't get any sediments.
Color is fantastic.
I'm loving this
Yeah,
color.
the color is fantastic.
Really beautiful.
Nice, lush. So I'm just garnishing up here for you guys. Some slices of fresh apple and some fine thyme. And here we go, guys.
Wow.
Call this one
I want
Dutty
to.
Mas.
Dutty Mas. Dutty
Our Dutty Mas does not look like this. I'm so impressed.
That's what I'm saying. No, this looks like pretty Mas.
Pretty Mas.
It's the
This look like
2021
Mas.
pretty Dutty Mas.
Hey, cheers. Cheers to Carnival 2021
And the future.
and the future with a difference, my brother.
The same real things.
Same thing.
I could see it could get you into dirty mode, Mas. Yeah, I could see that. 2 others and we're in trouble. Master mixologist Tyrone Benjamin, ladies and gentlemen. Guys, we're coming back. We're taking a break. I have Valmiki Maharaj, Mr. Carnival here with me. We have some Carnival people dropping by. Stay with us. Come on back. Happy Hour is brought to you in part by Island Teas, William Wines, and Matelot